Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. As global cues are decisively bullish on USDINR, but does it really matter? Because why I'm saying, क्योंकि offshore में USDINR is struggling to stay above 83.20, and there are no surprises why it's happening because it looks pretty clear. It is the aggressive intervention from the central bank. The dollar sales from the RBI may be the reason that is capping the USDINR in the offshore market. Kal bhi we saw a surge in the US bond yields to above 4.7 on the 10-year. And at the same time, US dollar index also surged. But uska abhi tak koi major asar dollar rupee pe hai nahi, except for the fact that it's going to open slightly higher. So what is the trade now? The trade is very simple. The trade is that in case it pulls back, it's an opportunity to buy. Because the range is well defined. Abhi filhal jo 82.80 or 83.30 tha, abhi it is 83 and 83.30 is becoming narrower and narrower. So arithmetically, someday this range will break. Because if it keeps on narrowing, so finally the prices will move out. The question is, can it break on the upside? So upside mein RBI has defined a line. Or sirf RBI nahi, a lot of the Asian central bankers like the Chinese central bank too is intervening very aggressively on their currencies, and that's the reason why even the USDCNH is unable to break higher. So it's very hard to say when the USDINR is going to break out. So till that point in time, how you trade is very simple. If you want to anticipate a breakout and trade, then the way to trade is buy an out of money call and just wait. Matlab, let's say month end ka, October end ka, you buy it and just wait, because once the breakout happens, then you can benefit from it. Until that point in time, if you get a pullback towards 83.10 ke aspas on the spot, it's an opportunity to buy. Stop loss रहेगा 83 के नीचे on a closing basis. Again, 83 on spot के नीचे on a closing basis will be your stop loss. And 83.10 के उसके थोड़ा सा नीचे, you can use that opportunity of a pullback to buy. It's a very difficult market trading condition, but that's what we have, so we have to trade accordingly. Short straddle, short strangle agar hai, the point is, no problem, just keep an eye on one important aspect, and that is what is the range or what is the breakout zone. Breakout 83.30 या 32 के ऊपर on the spot. So 83.30, 32 के ऊपर अगर breakout हो रहा है तो immediately on the short straddle or strangle, take a hedge, buy an out of money call. अगर ये by chance 82.80 के नीचे breakdown दे रहा है, then you have to buy out of money put. So that is something you have to keep in mind if you are doing short straddle and strangle. Risk reward is not that great, but as long as the realized volatility is low, tab tak though this trade will still make some sense. But don't take very large position and don't expect very big option premium erosion, because option premiums are still low. So basically targeting smaller erosions in the premium and with smaller positions, this can be done, but keep those breakout and breakdown levels in mind. Dusra, option scalping will continue to find a lot of favor, which is where traders, they go in and out throughout the day, and they basically target anything between 1 tick se lekar 3-4 tick tak. So that's an intraday trading through options which people do, and we have covered this extensively in our talk and in our analysis on the Telegram channel. So on cross currency, the trend is downward क्योंकि USDINR upward capped है और Euro dollar, GBP dollar, dollar yen are all sliding downward, so it's going to be downward. US का जो कल का data था, the ISM data, that has shown slight improvement, and that is also positive on the dollar. आज US JOLTS data है job opening का, that will be important to watch. So all in all, Euro INR, GBP INR, JPY INR, तीनों are under correction, are under a downward trend. And keep one thing in mind, Yen INR में keep your positions intraday. It is extremely important क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी the finance ministry and the central bank, Bank of Japan, has started to make a lot of noise about intervention. मतलब selling dollar yen, which means to buy yen INR. So इसके लिए we don't want to get caught in such an intervention with a overnight position. So इसके लिए yen INR में advice ये है कि keep your positions intraday. It is better to avoid carrying positions overnight. Very, very important. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.